Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and in this video I just want to show you how I configure delivery of a product. So after people make payment on my payment gateway, which is Instamojo, I would want to send access to the product, and the product is hosted on Teachable. So Instamojo and Teachable does not have a direct integration, and Instamojo and Zapier does not have a direct integration. So this video will show you how I do it. So basically the first job is to go ahead and let's say I will create a folder on Zapier. So digital marketing tools mastery delivery. So I just created a folder, and inside the folder I will create a new zap, and what I will do here is that I will do a webhook. So I need a webhook. Select webhooks by Zapier and choose trigger event. So here I would do catch hook and click on continue, and here I will be copying this and putting it back on the webhook URL of Instamojo. So this is Instamojo, and here I will put it here, and I will click on update. So now I also need to do a test transaction here. So the idea is that I need to capture a sample data. So here it is trying to find data. So I will click on test and continue, and it is looking for data, and I need to give it sample data so that I can tell it these are the way you have to map it. So I will say my name is Deepak, use one of my unused email IDs, an old phone number. Click on claim for free, and the data will be sent to the webhook because we put that webhook there in the settings. You saw that. So now I'll try test trigger. So now it has found the data, and you can see that the data that I entered on Instamojo is now captured here on Zapier. So now whatever sales that happen in Instamojo is now passed on to Zapier, and now I need to add them on my Teachable account. So I've already integrated my Teachable account here. So I will select Teachable, click on enroll user in a course, click on continue. Teachable account, I select the Teachable account, click on continue, and I need to select the course in which they have to enroll. So enter tools here. So digital marketing tools mastery is the course in which they will enroll, and I need to map the email ID. So the email ID that was caught using the webhook. So here is the email ID, and then we have the name here, and password I will leave it blank. Users can create their own password. So now test and continue. So what will happen is that people will get added, enrolled in it. So that's what happens. So click on I will add one more step in this app. So basically what I need to do is that I want to add them to my ConvertKit email marketing tool so that I can send welcome emails and follow-up emails. So I would say add subscriber to a sequence. Click on continue. ConvertKit account is already linked. Click on continue. And here I would put the email ID again. Earning methods 2019. So this is just a sample that it picks up. So in future these are all variables. The name, email ID, everything is a variable. Right now we are just putting the sample so that they know where to add it. So sequence is going to be digital marketing tools customers. So I have developed an email sequence inside ConvertKit. So whenever someone purchases this particular product inside Instamojo, they get enrolled on Teachable, and they will also start getting a sequence of emails, which is the emails that I want to send to my customers. So this is done. I would click on test and continue once more. So it is sending the data, everything is good. Now let's switch on this app. and now we are done. So I would call it DMT purchase to Teachable to ConvertKit. So this is how I would remember. This is how this app has been made. So go back and this app is now active. So we can also test this once. So basically click on refresh, and this is CK 2020. I will click on this, and what I need to do is that I need to sign up with a new email ID and see if I am getting subscribed. So let me enter one more email ID here. So basically same email ID, but there is a small hack here. You can say earning methods 2019 at googlemail.com. It is still the same mail ID, but it will be taken as a different email ID. Put a fake number here. So whenever people make payment, this is how the process will be, except this thank you page will come after they make the payment. So I will go into this earningmethods.com email ID and see if the automation works properly. So we already had done it with a test, so that's why I have got 2 of these. So here you can see this is working now. So earning methods 2019 at googlemail.com. So Instamojo sends a confirmation email with a transaction receipt. Go back and you can see that digital marketing tools mastery, thank you. So this is from ConvertKit. So this is a sequence I have set up inside ConvertKit. So the email ID has been added to ConvertKit and the welcome email has come, and it has also enrolled me in digital marketing tools mastery inside my Teachable. And there is a mail called redeem your copy because I have not created an account at Teachable using earning methods 2019 at googlemail.com yet. So I need to create an account, and once I create the account, this particular course digital marketing tools mastery will be added inside the Teachable login. So this is the Teachable login, and if I go inside admin and if I look at if this particular user has been added, I can go inside users, and inside users I will put the latest email ID which I used to sign up, which is earning methods 2019 at googlemail.com. So this is the last test we did, and you can see that this particular user has been created. And if I open that user, let's check the enrollments. What are the courses that this particular user has enrolled? You can see that digital marketing tools mastery has been enrolled. So if I log in with this user and if I check the course name, then and if I check the login of that user, this course will be added within that user's account. So this is how I take Instamojo customers and create a marketing automation so that all the courses are given to them automatically without me having to manually interrupt any process or do a welcome call or give them access manually. So that is why Zapier is amazing, and this is basically a simple automation that I have built. A more complex automation in Zapier as well, which I have covered in my Zapier Mastery course. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, and stay tuned for more digital marketing videos from my side. Thank you and bye-bye.